Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm filming a what I ate in a day. I'm a bit sweaty because yeah, I just trained and this training was so good. It's like a cross training mobility by I will put his Instagram right here, and this class is the best class ever. I love every exercise, I love every circuit. I love the mobility exercises with like we're working with our shoulders and then our hips, our legs, and we're also doing some ab exercises, but not like the boring ones, you know, when you're just keep doing crunches. It's more like stability kind of ab exercises, and I honestly love this. And even myself, who personally I hate cardio training. Sometimes we do like a mini HIIT or cardio circuit, but because we are doing it by a group and because we change exercises really often, I don't get bored and I don't really realize that I'm suffering. So that's honestly the best class ever. I booked it every single morning almost because I love it. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, but now I'm just gonna have my breakfast because I didn't got anything this morning. I'm not especially hungry because we ate pizza last night. I'm not gonna lie, that was delicious, no regrets, but that's why I'm kind of full and I'm not really feeling like oatmeal or even smoothie. I've been doing smoothie every single day almost for the past few weeks. So what I want to do this morning is actually making some celery juice. So I'm just gonna juice celery, ginger, lemon, water with ice, so it can be really cold but with a bit of lemony taste, which I personally love in celery juice. So let's make that.
Let me come home to you. Let me come home to you again. Don't let me lose you too. Tell me, would you let me in? Home again.
Now I'm gonna buy some onions and garlic. I can't believe we don't even have onions yet to cook something for lunch. And I also need to check if they have some planners or stuff like this. I saw they got really cool ones at a shop, so I'm just gonna check if they still have it, because I need to plan like for the week my meals and like stuff that I want to work on, and planning and writing is honestly helping me so much. So we'll see what we find.
Smile still echoes through my head. Let me come home to you. Let me come home to you again. Don't let me lose you too. Tell me, would you let me in? Home again.
I made myself a coffee. I made it with the Nespresso machine, and again I try to finish it, but I don't really enjoy their coffee. Like, I feel French press coffee tastes 10 times better than an espresso machine, and the espresso ones are okay, but the kind of long black or the kind of mug coffees, I don't really enjoy them. And I even poured coconut milk and syrup and stuff, and it still doesn't taste that good, but you know, I'm still using it. And so right now I'm just gonna do a little bit of work. So I need to write a program, like a sport program and a meal plan for a friend of mine because she asked me, and I'm so keen to do that. I love doing this, especially for my friends. I need to write some nutrition stuff as well because I'm reading a lot of books at the moment that speak about nutrition, but really in details, like not just eat your salad and eat, you know, blueberries. It really explain everything that goes deep into that and what you need to eat, that the chemicals with it. So I'm really passionate about it, so I need to work by myself on this as well. And then I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of baking because I really want to bake almost one cake a day, something like this, so I can really like practice and get better at some recipes that I'm just creating and stuff. So I think I'm just gonna make cinnamon rolls. We're gonna make cinnamon rolls together because cinnamon rolls are the best thing, especially during autumn, which is one of the best season ever. I know it's not autumn yet, but I kind of pretend it is, even if it's like super hot. Like I'm still super hot just in wearing a legging. I need to put some shorts on because I'm literally sweating right now and it's super hot. So it's still summer here, really like a big Indian summer, you know what I mean?
Sometimes I feel like I done lost it, and I don't even really know the cost yet. But every time fever's on my mind, you remind my soul that I'm free. I know I can't go on my own. You came so I wouldn't have to go it alone. You took the long road so you could show me home. Found love better than I've ever known. So now I know that I can say you are exalted above everything on the earth that I've seen. Cause I know that my dreams come alive in the love that you promised to me. I'll keep singing your praise and you know I believe. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now.
So yesterday night we went out with a friend and we ate some burgers. I took the Mexican one, which was delicious. There was guacamole inside and roasted chicken with honey and pepper bell. That was amazing. And I took a salad because, you know, I wasn't that hungry, and I know if I took fries it was mostly because I was craving it, but not because I was really hungry. And I know I feel like too full. I eat burger and fries when I'm really hungry, and that was not the case. So, you know, sometimes you just need to listen to your body and if you're hungry or not, and like make choices according to that. So that's why I chose the salad, which was good. Concerning the burger, I don't consider that as a cheat meal, even if it's not like the healthiest option and it was a bit greasy because of the chicken and stuff. But I know this place cook everything. The food is really fresh. I know it's like really good quality food, and what I put in my body is not crap, even though it's a bit greasy, you know. I'm not saying a burger is like a salad, but you get my point. And today I've just been baking cookies. I'm trying to find a dairy-free, gluten-free and refined sugar-free cookies recipes. I'm trying to create that, which is super hard because what is absolutely delicious in cookies is the butter and the sugar and a bit of milk, and without that and without egg. I'm making it vegan as well, so if you don't have these ingredients in a cookie, it's hard to have like the paste sticking and the really sweet taste of it. It's hard, but I'm trying to find a recipe for that. And I think I'm just gonna wrap this vlog here. I hope you did enjoy it, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next workouts, my recipes, or my travels. Not anytime soon, but anyway, enjoy your day, have a great week, and I see you in the next one. Bye.
Sometimes I feel like I done lost it, And I don't even really know the cost yet. But every time fear is on my mind, you remind my soul that I'm free. I know I can't go on my own. You came so I wouldn't have to go it alone. You took the long road so you could show me home.